These top 5 waterfalls don't just fall, they mesmerize. Number 5, Plitvice Waterfalls, Croatia. Crystal clear turquoise water flowing through cascading lakes, pure fairy tale vibes. Number 4, Selja Lands Foss, Iceland. You can walk behind this waterfall and watch the world through falling water. Number 3, Angel Falls, Venezuela, the tallest waterfall on Earth, dropping from the clouds like liquid sky. Number 2, Victoria Falls, Zambia, Zimbabwe. So powerful it creates its own rain and can be heard miles away. And number 1, Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Hundreds of waterfalls crashing together, one of the most breathtaking sights on Earth. Which one would you visit first? Follow for more unreal places.